What's up, guys? Wanted to give you a quick heads up. Me and the Throttle Boys will be out in Las Vegas on April 13th for Stance Wars, one of our favorite shows to go to and support. So if you guys are interested in going, you can click the link in the description down below for the event. If you use code throtl when you check out for your tickets, you'll save a few bucks. We'll see you guys out in Vegas. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Throtl's YouTube channel. Well, if you guys have been following along, the 3000 GT Sweepstakes is now over, and we have a new project to get kicked off. And you guys are not gonna believe what we're gonna be giving away in the next quarter. It's red, it says Toyota on the front, and it comes with your very own Puerto Rican. What's up, Ricky?
What's happening?
Not much, brother. Just getting ready to give away your, I don't even know what this is here. What is this thing again?
Toyota Starlet.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Come on, baby.
I really knew what it was, but just wanted to educate you guys. Right, Ricky?
Yeah. Nobody knows what this is.
Alright, so I'm just kidding. We're not actually giving away Ricky's Starlet, but we are giving away this 240Sx hatch. And what you see here today is not actually what we're gonna be giving away, because this car is gonna go through a complete transformation, and it all begins today. So hold on to your chairs and your keyboards, boys and girls, because we're about to get started and we're gonna bring you along for the ride.
All right. I don't know what Mickey was doing this whole time while I was working, but I did all this all by myself. Everything. Oh, but why are you sweating, bro?
Just because I've been sitting here watching you work.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Working hard, I see. Anyways, we kind of went overboard, and I think the plan was just to take out the front seats, and then it just evolved and evolved and evolved, and then...
Well, I mean, it all has to come out anyway.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing a interior conversion to black, and we're going to be adding a lot of really cool bits that aren't going to include any of the stock interior. So why not do it while we're after it?
Amen. So, oh, door panels are still on.
Yeah, those got to come off, and dash is coming out next.
Bam, and the steering wheel. Well, I guess we can keep the steering wheel there.
But yeah, it's got to come off to get the dash out.
Oh, we'll be right back. I like this yellow tint. We're keeping the yellow tints.
Nah, it's coming off.
All right, here we have Mickey Andrade with a nice piece of equipment.
Look at this beautiful dash.
Ooh, that's, oh Jesus.
Yeah, don't worry about those screws.
It's one piece wonder right there.
It's actually in good shape at all the mounting tabs. It's just the dash pad's fried. So we'll either be sending this out for repair, getting a cover, or if one of you wonderful people out there has a clean black dash that you want to sell or donate to the project, feel free to DM us. You can find my Instagram right there.
Boom. Or we can show them how to fix it. So, should we show them the two seats that we took out of the car?
Look at this pile. Oh my God. We did all of this in about under an hour?
Oh yeah, for sure, under an hour.
What a disaster.
We were only we were like, let's just take the 2 seats out. After we took out we took out the fender, side skirt, and hood. We were like, let's just take the 2 seats out. And then it just kept going and going and going and going.
Yeah, where's the center of the steering wheel?
The center?
Yeah.
Why is the carpet still on? That's what I want. And the door panels. All right, those things.
We'll end our day with that stuff.
Yeah, they're next. And just like that, door panels, carpet,
Yeah.
and everything else is out.
Now we can actually start cleaning the inside, floor pan and everything, get it ready for the mods that are coming. I'm getting excited about this now that I see it all picked up.
No, man.
Reminds me of the old days of building drift cars.
It's crazy how the yellow tint just makes everything inside look green.
Ugh, it's gross. Can't wait to get rid of it.
I said keep it.
Oh man, this is twisted.
Mick, it's okay. It can be twisted.
It can't be twisted.
It's not, well, you don't want to see my side.
It's gonna drive me crazy.
Don't look over here.
I'm not going to. I already know. Cool, so now we can start cleaning up the floor pan tomorrow. And we're off to a good start.
Hey, you know what? This actually looks pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Like, we haven't cleaned this at all. We just
There's no foul odors.
Bro, no, exactly. We just pulled the carpet out and it looks really clean as it is already. So this is a good starting point for us.
So we can remount this guy.
What's wrong with it?
All this.
It's fine.
Well, it doesn't work, but we still should mount it for now until we get the proper cables. And then we can remove these because we're not gonna run rear seats anymore. Hint, hint.
Yeah. I got some double-sided 3M tape we can just put instead of bolts. It'll hold it.
As much of a fan of 3M tape as I am, I don't like your idea. Since this car was converted to Z32 rear end, once you do that, the e-brake cables no longer mount properly underneath the car, so there's nothing for it to pull.
Yeah.
So we got to get a bracket for the rear that bolts up into the car, and new cables, and we should be good. E-brake will be back functioning, but I think we'll also be adding a hydraulic e-brake, so this may end up going away altogether. We'll see.
We can use that for the trunk release. How dope would that be, bro? All right, what's next?
I think that's it for today.
That's it?
I think we'll clean up, maybe run a quick rag over this, and so let's just sort out all our tools, get all the hardware binned up and organized, and I guess we could put the steering wheel back on, but
Yeah, I was just looking at that right now. I'm like,
I mean,
look at that.
I know, you have a film name.
Hey, yeah, I want one of those.
Alright. Who else wants one? Whoa! What the hell is this?
day one, boys, day one.
So this car was blue.
This is how Rickie and I do things, brother.
So the car was blue originally, but it did have a repaint. It was repainted blue, not the original color. You saw the blue though.
It's actually like Montego.
This is the color.
It's like a
this
greenish,
is the
like a
original
really
color
good
of the car.
green.
I don't think the car was ever resprayed.
It was. It definitely was.
Okay.
Interesting. But they kept it the same color. So we're looking for a dash. Have you already mentioned that?
Yeah, I did, but you can mention it again because it's a pretty dire need.
Uncracked.
So part of me wants to put an S14 or S15 dash in here since we're probably going to be doing door cards anyway. And it doesn't matter if they match up really. They just have to go to the end of the car, which I know they fit. But being that we're on a pretty aggressive time schedule for this car, I don't know that it's a smart thing to do.
There's no S15 dash, right? Is that a meme?
Well,
there is no. There is no left-hand drive S15.
There was never any produced, but there are left-hand drive S15 dashboard replicas for left.
Oh, really? They make those? Dang.
Just gonna cut it and then flip
It would be like a drift car shell.
Yeah. Well, the whole model for this is kind of like that. You could take this car to the track, or you can drive it on the street. Okay, that's the plan.
What if we put a 350 or 370Z?
I was just thinking that.
Because with door cards, it doesn't matter. I guess we could run over to TJ's drift car and get a measurement on that dash, because he has his 370Z dash in there, and see if it fits.
But then, like, you'd have to retrofit clusters and stuff, or...
Well, that's what Ricky and I were talking about, is if we go with a standalone, say an AEM...
Then you could do a...
Then we can do a dash.
That'd be baller.
And just black out.
Damn, if someone's about to... That'd be sick. Yeah, that'd be really cool. That definitely is overkill, I think, but
we've got some discussions to have. You know, budget is obviously an issue, so... and time. We have 3 months till we give this car away.
So, in summary, if anyone has an uncracked black dash that might work for this car, so S13, S14, or I guess S15 left-hand drive, please hit us up. Maybe a 350Z will work. If anyone has any of those experiences, please comment down below. Let us know how hard of a job it is.
There goes the yellow tint.
But, oh, you already got it off. Did you? Oh, really? Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, tint.
There's nothing wrong with it, blue.
Thank you, Black Market, for the tint, but for this build, it's not gonna stay yellow, so.
All right, so it's getting late in the day. Ricky's taking off the last shred of yellow window tint. Now we gotta go back to the razor blade and remove all the glue off the glass. But man, it's a pretty good day. You can see the bin of parts behind us and the mess of interior that we now have. But that was about an hour and a half's worth of work, so pretty good. We're gonna wrap it up today, and we're gonna get cracking on this thing again tomorrow. I think tomorrow we'll actually tackle the undercarriage of the car and the drivetrain. Gonna start dropping everything out from underneath the car because the subframe needs to be sorted. If you guys watch TJ Hunt's videos, you know that Calvin and TJ put an S14 rear subframe in this car. We've got some new subframe bushings to put in. They're solid and they're offset so that S14 subframe properly fits onto the S13 chassis. The reason you go with an S14 subframe is it has better geometry for motorsport. So that was a nice upgrade that they did, but we're gonna go in and make it even better. Yeah, so stay tuned as we tear into the drivetrain of this car. Hopefully it keeps moving along as quickly as today went. He's got one shred of tint.
Corner, bro.
You can do it!
You can do it!
You can do it!
Faster! It's not coming out. Come on. Oh, I'm telling you, man. If my big old fingers can't get it.
Oh my God, come on, dude. You got it. Yay! All the yellow window tints off now. All right, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in today. Hopefully it was fun to watch this car get ripped apart. We didn't do too much informational stuff, but we got it all out. And now I have to talk really loud because Ricky's being a beep. So thank you for tuning in. Join us tomorrow for drivetrain removal and tear apart. And yeah, thanks for your subscriptions, thanks for your comments, thanks for all your likes. We appreciate it.
Recording.
Oh,
Made you look.
got him! This man. How do I deal with this every day?
We good, bro. Let's go eat. Let's go eat.
Close it out. Close it out.
Oh, I gotta close it out.
Since you screwed up my outro.
Please subscribe, hit the like button, keep commenting, and tell us what you want to do with the dash. You want us to fix it and show you how to do it? Do we replace it? Do we go big or go home? Let us know, please. See you guys.